Houston. We have a problem.
This is Mission Control. Go right ahead, Rockefeller One.
Houston, our fridge is broken.
A fridge? We didn't think we had one on the orbiter. Okay, Rockefeller One, we'll get right on it.
Well, we do, and I'm calling you because beer, we want more beers, because everybody's cheering to get the beers in.
Can you repeat that over?
Houston, I am your father.
Right.
On Feb 26, 2011, we sent the first Aussie beer into space. 4 Pines beer, brewed down under, drunk up there.